Hi guys, Mark here, the Coffee Man, and I'm up at Broome at the coffee van at Broome Markets. It's Saturday morning, and today I want to do a coffee shot on our new Espresso Everywhere coffee maker. Now here it is. It's fully self-contained espresso machine. Like that one behind us, it's $22,000. This is nowhere near that price, but it is portable and makes a great coffee. You can use coffee pods or ground coffee. So in this coffee shot, I'm just going to show you how you do the pods. So what we do, we have a little attachment there. This has currently got the ground. Now what it'll do, it'll heat. You'll get 4 hot coffees out of it. So you put cold water in there, double press, you get 4 espresso shots. If you got hot water, you'll get 100. You just press it once. So what I'm going to do is I've got one of our new coffee pods here. I'm going to stick it in there. You place it in, we seal it, we screw it on. Then for this purpose, I'm going to use boiling water because I've got some here. And then you just fill this container up here with boiling water, cold water if you're like driving or in a plane, and then we just screw it on, tighten that up, you get a cup. And if you've got boiling water, it's just one press. So what I'm going to do is just tie that on there, press one press, or one long press. And there we go. And it's perfect espresso flowing down. Now, if you have to heat the water, it takes about 4 minutes. So when you're driving in a car, you can just do an espresso shot as you're driving along, or you can on a plane. It's a great coffee on planes, that's why it's good to get it. So there you go. There is Espresso Everywhere pod version. See you in a minute.